News, here's NBC News. I'm getting my set. It's the Kashyyyk Trooper set. $71 now. Wah. Yeah. So came out in 2014. Other stats are right here. 99 pieces, of course. 6 to 12. 75035. So yeah. The last release, this is just $13, but let me get this ready. Yeah. Now they're all four. Sorry guys. I have to. It's in the middle of the day, past lunch. So like 2 something. But anyway, this is the Kashyyyk Trooper, of course, and then the other one. Well, just yeah. So yeah, it is a battle pack, of course. It has 4 troopers, like I said. But what is it again? Oh, I have tape hanging with them or something. You can see we have a 4 over there. See? It's blowy. Wait, over here. Here, not even blowy. Oh, now it's not blowy. Whatever. So yeah, pretty cool minifigs. Let's get this guy out of the way. Okay, that's the WAV over there from our first review, but whatever. So yeah, he actually has a few differences from the 2019, not because this is 2014 kind of Kashyyyk Scout Trooper. Basically has the same helmet, except one of them is lighter and one of them is darker. And another thing is that the 2019 has smudges. Why won't it focus? Okay, there we go. Okay.
Hi, just like I hit my leg hard.
I know.
Like literally, I hate this crystal thing, this table.
Sorry.
This table.
Right here.
Whack.
Whatever. So yeah, it got hurt, but these actually aren't the blasters, but it's supposed to be stud shooters, the one that could actually blast out stuff. So yeah, that's basically cause they have this backpack, not very nice torso, head print, and leg print. Of course, back then there weren't any arm prints, but there will be one coming soon on Darth Vader on the final duel, which is basically from the Return of the Jedi. So yeah, next minifig. Okay, so you already saw him, of course. It's a regular face tuner, the Scout Trooper.
The difference is the helmet, the body, and the appearance, like everything.
Yeah, even the arms.
Also the back.
Except
for the gun.
The back.
There's a gun in it.
The back, look.
It has a
You see
gun.
that black stuff? No, it's I think this represents a. So this should be a pocket. That means. Buttons. This is supposed to be a pocket. Whatever. So yeah, it's basically a pocket. There we go. It's focused. So yeah, pretty good. It has a tan arms instead. Okay, whatever. So yeah, he has this nice torso print and everything. This is how much detail they went to this, like with the redstone battle is just so good. Anyway, moving on to the 10.
A lot. We're gonna do a Battle Cats review after this.
We might do.
You might.
Okay, whatever. Starting some things to date. Anyway, time for the things. Of course, this is the one guns, but just like it with no stud shooter. Anywho, we added some detail right here with the other blue studs, the extra ones. So, yeah. These protective shields, I guess.
If you
could
have,
roll this, and guess
if
what?
you have
And
it,
guess what? You could roll it while you're pushing it. So,
but also if you have a white piece like the do you have if you have
the same
X130T,
piece,
the white, you could add it on there, but
it wouldn't add to the Kashyyyk look because Kashyyyk is supposed to be very